In this quick guide, I'll show you how to set up Spectrum Internet and Wi-Fi step by step using their self-install kit. What's in the box? You'll typically find a Spectrum modem, a Spectrum Wi-Fi router, if included in your plan, coaxial cable, Ethernet cable, power adapters, quick start or activation info card. Before you begin, place everything near an active cable outlet. Step 1. Choose the right placement. For the best Wi-Fi signal, place the router in an open area. Avoid closets or behind TVs. Keep it a few feet off the floor. Stay away from thick walls and large electronics. Step 2. Connect the modem. Connect the coax cable from the wall outlet to the modem. Make sure it's finger tight, not over-tightened. Plug in the power adapter. Wait for the modem to boot up. If this outlet is shared with a Spectrum TV receiver, you may need a coax splitter. Step 3. Connect the router. Use the Ethernet cable to connect the modem to the router. Plug in the router's power cable. Wait for the Wi-Fi lights to turn on. Once the lights are stable, you're ready to activate. Step 4. Activate your Spectrum Internet. Connect your phone or computer to the router's default Wi-Fi. Network name and password are on the router label. Activate using one of these options. My Spectrum app. Download the app, sign in, and follow the prompts. Web browser. Open a browser and follow the automatic redirect, or use the activation link from your kit. Activation usually takes 2 to 10 minutes. Step 5. Check the modem and router lights. Modem, online or blue light should be solid. Router, Wi-Fi light should be active. If you don't get an online light, try a different cable outlet. Restart the modem, or contact Spectrum support if the outlet isn't active. Step 6. Rename your Wi-Fi and connect devices. Once online, you can change your Wi-Fi name and password. Reconnect your devices using the new Wi-Fi details. You're now online. For more details, check the full setup guide linked in the description. If this helped you, drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more no-fluff tech setup guides from Tekzoid.